Good morning everyone. Today we are here to talk about MIT App Inventor. First, I will introduce my team. I am Pratigya Yadav and she is Shafanur. We are here to talk about MIT App Inventor. Now, what is MIT App Inventor? MIT App Inventor is a platform that allows us to make apps very easily without learning complex coding, just using dragging and dropping by just arrangement of blocks. Now, what is blocks? It's explained by my team member. First, I would like to call Shafanur to explain the PPT of our project.
Good morning everyone, I am Shafanur and today I am here to tell you the PPT explanation of our project Step Counter app. Introduction. This is the introduction of our project. The Step Counter app helps to track the steps a person walks daily. It increases our fitness and health awareness and it's very simple, educational and fun to use. Project objective. The main objective of our project is to create a mobile fitness app that counts steps. Through this, we can learn how sensors work in mobile application and it promotes a healthy habits among students. Tools used. To make this app, I have used MIT App Inventor software. It includes a pedometer sensor which tracks our steps and components like labels, buttons, notifier and TinyDB to store data. App design. This is the app design of our project. The layout includes labels, buttons and display area. Label 1 shows the title step counter. Label 2 displays the step count like steps is equal to 0. And the buttons are used for start, stop and reset. Working and coding explanation. In this page, we will learn how to use this app. When we tap the start button, it begins counting our step. When we tap the stop button, it stops our counting our step. And when I tap the reset button, it resets the steps to 0. The label automatically updates the step count as you walk using the pedometer sensor. Demonstration. In the demonstration, you have to run the app on a phone and walk a few steps. You can see that the steps appear in real time on the screen and you can show the live app demo to the audience. This was the PPT explanation of our project Step Counter. From this, we can learn that how our app Step Counter helps some people to stay healthy and fit, and we can learn how sensors work in mobile applications. Thank you. I would like to call Pratigya Yadav to explain the components.
Main question is how can we make app is explained by me. First we have to go Google and search MIT App Inventor. And we click this link. You can see here. Then we go to create app. You see there are many options. We are making a step counter, so we are click step counter. You can see the image. Now, how can we make it is explained by me. First, we have to go user interface and have to go layer. Then we use vertical arrangement to click here. Then we drag and drop it. Then we go button. We choose 3 buttons because there are 3. Then we drag and drop in 3 buttons. Then use arrange it. Then we go there. The main thing are first we use color, but color is not attractive, so we use a poster or a image. Now you can see there are 3 buttons. To continue this, I would like to call Shafanu.
To make this app, we have used 3 buttons and 1 label, and we have also used a pedometer. We found pedometer from the sensor, and pedometer is a non-visible component. You can see here. Pedometer is a sensor which tracks our steps. So, this is the first button. Its background color is green and its font size is 16 and its text color is black. And we have named it Start Count. The second button is this. Its background color is red, font is bold and its font size is 16.0 and its shape is rounded and the text color is black. And we have named it Stop Count. This is the button. Its background color is cyan, font is bold, shape is rounded and the text color is black. And we have named it Reset. This is the label of our app Step Counter. Its font size is 50 and its font is bold. Because we have used a background image, so we don't use any background color here and its text color is white. Vertical arrangement. From vertical arrangement, we have used Align Horizontal Center 3 because our buttons and labels will be on center This is the pedometer and its treadle length in 0.73. I would like to call Pratigya Yadav to explain the blocks. Blocks.
You know what is blocks? Blocks is a function of our app. Now, how can we arrange it? First, we go to start count. You remember that we choose the button step count and remain it. First, we have to do start count, and we choose when start count clicks and drag and drop it. Then we go pedometer. We choose pedometer start because first we choose when start click. Then we drag and drop it. Then we go step count and we click when stop count click and drag and drop it. Then we go pedometer. We are choosing stop count, so we choose their stop count and drag and drop it. Then we go to reset button and we choose when click reset button. Then we drag and drop it. To continue this, I will like to call Shafano.
This is the first button, start count. This is the second button, stop count, and this is the third button. That's name is reset button. To choose reset button, first we go to reset button and drag and drop here. Then from pedometer, we will choose call pedometer 1 reset. This explains that when I tap the reset button, it will reset the steps to 0. To reset the step to 0, first we go to the label and choose set label 1 text 2. Then from map, we will choose 0. This explains that when I tap the button, it will reset the step to 0. Then from we go to pedometer and choose pedometer 1 simple steps and drag and drop this. Then from label, we will choose set label 1 text 2 and drag and drop here. Then from pedometer, we will choose pedometer 1 simple steps. This one. This explains that if we will make this, then the pedometer will work, and pedometer is a sensor which track our step and it's a non-visible component. I would like to call Pratigya Yadav to check this app, that how this app works.
To check this app, we are go to designer and click to connect and go AI for connect. You can see I already opened the app and scan it. You can see scan. You can see it's logging. You can see it's here. When we start count and walk, it's start counting my. Then I stop and I walk. It does not count my step. And we reset. Then it's go to 0. That's our app. I hope that you learned from it something to. This app is very interesting to make. I would like to call Shafanu.
That's all about our project. First, we are very thankful to Ashutosh sir that he guided us, supported us, and understand us how to make this app from MIT by using MIT App Inventor. Before that, we don't know that how to make app. We don't know what is MIT App Inventor. After Ashutosh sir guided us and supported us, we know that what is MIT App Inventor, what is block, how to make some app from this. So that was all about our project. I hope you like it and learn something from it. It was a great experience testing and creating this app. Thank you everyone for your time and attention.